Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to write and post a note on Instagram. This is a great feature to share short updates, ask questions, or simply let your followers or close friends know what's on your mind. To get started, open your Instagram app and tap on the direct message icon in the top right corner of the home screen. Just go to your Instagram page and tap on the DM section. To write your own note, tap on your profile picture with the little plus icon next to it. This one. A text box will pop up where you can type your message. This can be up to 60 characters long, so keep it short and sweet. You can use this space to share a thought, a question, or even just an emoji. Notes. After your written note, choose who can see it. You have two options: share it with your followers who follow you back, or limit to your close friends list. For more or private updates, once you've selected your audience, tap share and your note will appear above your DMs for 24 hours. Your followers can see your note, and if they want, they can respond directly to it by sending you a message. And that's it. Writing a note on Instagram is simple and effective for quick communication with your followers. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.